Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm diving into my Bones 5 collection this week and painting one of the Grave Kings. This is basically a heavy armoured undead warrior. I primed it in German Panzer Grey and I get started with Dark Sea Green for all of the robes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I added some oak brown to the axe handle and the back of the shield. For the bulk of this mini, the heavy armour part, I used rough iron to give it that old, not well looked after look. To finish up the metal parts, I used old silver. This doesn't look like it covered that well when it first goes on, but after some time, it seems to have covered on a single coat. Now the bulk of the mini is finished, it's time to probably the most important part of an undead unit, the bones. I went with skeleton bone for this and will highlight it up afterwards before the wash goes on. The little dragon motif on the shield needed to pop that bit more from the rest of the armour, so I used tainted gold. Being a king, I thought it would only right to add a bit more effort into this paint job, so I get started with some highlighting with Stonewall Grey over all of those edges of the robes. For the base, it got a once over of dark stone. While I had this colour out, I done some of the under parts of the armpits, as I kind of missed them out when I was doing other colours, so a generic brown fills them in quite nicely. To highlight up the bone parts and the very tips of the robes, I use matte white. Thin down quite a bit to help it flow and not look so chalky. Finishing up, I gave the minion all over wash of strong tone to give it that old dirty look and add a bit of depth to those bones. And that will be it for the first of the Grave Kings. I'm probably going to do them all in a similar style, so this is going to be the only one that gets a video. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. For those of you who want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.